Welcome back to another episode of Raw and Real Finance. Today we will be diving into premium travel credit card. We will be doing a detailed review of HDFC Marriott Bonvoy credit card.
We'll cover everything right from the features of the card, the benefits, and redemption options. So stay tuned.
Whether you are a frequent traveler or a luxury enthusiast, this card is for everyone. HDFC, in partnership with Marriott, the largest hotel chain in the world, they have come up with a fantastic product where almost everyone can stay for free in their hotels.
By using this card, you can accumulate the Marriott Bonvoy Points into your account, and which you can redeem for free holidays across the world in over 8,000 hotels in brands like Sheraton, JW Marriott, and Ritz-Carlton.
Yes, now let's get into the reward structure of this card. The rewards are differently placed as compared to other travel card. You get 8 Marriott Bonvoy car points when you spend 150 rupees across Marriott property. It can be in form of dining, stay, spa, etc. You get 4 Marriott Bonvoy points when you spend 150 rupees on travel, dining, and entertainment. For rest of the other spends, you get 2 Marriott Bonvoy points for every 150 rupees spent. However, there are certain exclusions as well, like AMI payment, wallet transactions, government related transactions, rental transactions. Just to note, insurance is not excluded, so you can use this card for insurance purpose as well.
And that's not all. You also get a free night award every year on payment of the fee, and that can be redeemed for a night which is worth 15,000 Marriott Bonvoy points. And just in case you find a hotel which has a requirement of higher points, then you can redeem this night along with your Marriott Bonvoy points for a night up to 30,000 points a year.
So just want to share with all the viewers, we have put a couple of shorts in the description how you can score a free night stay in nearby Metro City property by using Marriott Bonvoy credit card. Please do check out those shorts as well. Now comes what is the biggest flex with the card. The biggest flex of this card is Elite membership. You automatically become a Silver Elite member, which means you get 15 Elite nights credit free annually, which helps you to fast track your Marriott Bonvoy status in Marriott program.
Let's also talk about the benefits of the Elite membership. So if you are a frequent traveler and stay in Marriott hotels quite often, then you should definitely know about the Marriott Bonvoy Elite program. Under Silver Elite status, you get late checkout subject to availability, bonus points on every stay, and you also get possibility of room upgrades. I have been very lucky that I have always got room upgrades whenever I have checked in. So let's talk about the Gold Elite status. When you spend up to 4 lakh rupees a year on Marriott hotels, you get the Gold Elite status, where not only do you get the benefits from the Silver Elite status, but also get additional perks, which includes guaranteed late checkout, as well as higher bonus points of 25%, and even more chances of getting a room upgrade. And sometimes some hotels also oblige by giving you free breakfast, and sometimes even the lounge access for club rooms. There are higher tier status as well, namely Platinum, Titanium, and Ambassador, but we'll talk about that in a detailed video on the Marriott Bonvoy program separately. Also, in case you want to become a Marriott Platinum without staying for 2 years, without staying for 50 nights in a hotel, then please subscribe to our channel and like this video and put a comment Platinum Elite, and we'll make a detailed video on that.
So don't forget about the travel benefits what you get with this card. You get access to complimentary lounges, 12 visit to domestic lounges and 12 visit to international lounges. Apart from lounges, you have access to complimentary golf game as well, 2 per quarter, and access to the concierge service.
Now let's talk about the fee. This card comes at an annual fee of 3,000 rupees plus GST, and that's a joining fee as well. But for that, you are actually getting one free night stay up to 15,000 points in a Marriott hotel. That is a bigger offset than the fee itself and is much more valuable.
Alright, let's get into the fun part, the redemption options. You can redeem your Marriott Bonvoy points on following things. First, you can book a luxury hotel stay at any property worldwide of Marriott through the Marriott Bonvoy portal. You can get the luxury experiences, room upgrade. You can also book your flights, you can book car rental, and you can do shopping as well through the Marriott Bonvoy portal. And also, if you want to see how you can use your Marriott Bonvoy points effectively, we have done an entire video on the Marriott Bonvoy redemption, and you can plan your vacation effectively. Do check it out, that video we have put in the description as well.
So Rushan, let's look at the ROI of this card. So we have tried to create two scenarios. One where a frequent traveler is traveling, or let's say you are planning a family holiday and you tend to stay in the Marriott hotels and you spend on revenue hotel nights for up to 4,80,000 rupees a year, which is roughly 40,000 rupees per month. And the other scenario is where a person is minimally staying and they are spending like 10 to 12,000 rupees a month or a 1.5 lakh rupees on a Marriott hotel. Since the card is 8 points on every 150 rupees spent for Marriott stays, therefore it becomes a very effective card for people who are frequently staying in Marriott hotels. As you can see, the ROI varies between 5% to 7% or 8%, depending on the mix of spends that you do on this card. But the bonus point is that you get 2 free nights as well as a milestone benefit, one on achieving 6 lakh rupees spent and the other on spending 9 lakh rupees.
Abhishek has explained the ROI on the spending on different categories. There's a 3% difference when you go for a higher spends on Marriott Bonvoy over the normal spends. And as you can see on the screen, the difference, you can clearly see why this card becomes much more effective when you use it only from the Marriott Bonvoy stay purpose. Let's get into the verdict. This card is a decent card for someone who likes to stay in Marriott Bonvoy Hotel. As a joining benefit, you get 1 free night award which you can redeem. Apart from that, your spends are very high on Marriott Bonvoy. You get a lot of benefits with respect to luxury stay, upgrades, tier benefits. So it makes a sense for someone who travels frequently and uses Marriott Bonvoy properties for their stay.
And let's say if you are not too much into Marriott properties or are chain agnostic, then we have a better card for you. And you must watch this video before anyone else does. And folks, if you're really interested in applying for this card, do check out the link in the description that will help you support our channel for more such content directly to you.
Don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe our channel Raw and Real Finance for more such interesting credit card topics. Until then, keep swiping, keep saving.